Two titans in the world of insurance and financial services, one big question: which company truly stands out? On one side, the legendary Prudential, known for its stability and vast portfolio. On the other, Northwestern Mutual, famed for its personalized approach and strong dividends. Let's put aside the marketing slogans and look at what really matters. We'll score each category, and at the end, you'll see exactly which provider comes out ahead. You might be surprised by the final verdict. So let's see how we're stacking these two up, right? We're looking at financial strength. How sturdy are these companies, really? Then policy dividends, if you're in for that whole life thing. Product range, because hey, options matter. Advisor experience, which honestly makes or breaks it for a lot of people. And finally, digital and customer experience, because let's be real, we want things to be easy and smooth. Starting with financial strength, this is kinda like, will these companies actually be there when you need them, right? Prudential's no joke, S&P AA and Best A+, and they've got their hands in all sorts of global markets. Super solid. If you want that legacy, built-to-last vibe, they're right up there. But okay, here comes Northwestern Mutual. These guys take the cake on ratings, S&P AA+, and Best A++, and their thing. Historically conservative, super steady. I mean, if your grandma could pick a company for reliability, she'd probably go Northwestern Mutual. The only catch, they're a bit more US-focused. But still, in this round, Northwestern Mutual edges past for pure financial muscle. Next up, policy dividends, especially if you're eyeing whole life. Prudential's above the industry average, but here's the kicker: not every product actually pays dividends. If that's a deal-breaker for you, just a heads up. Now Northwestern Mutual, oh, they're kind of famous for this. I'm talking top-of-the-market dividend history, super high persistency, and they pretty much set the standard, which is wild. Sure, they have to warn you. Dividends aren't guaranteed, but come on, their streak is impressive. Northwestern Mutual is the winner on this one. Alright, let's talk product range. This is where Prudential flexes hard. They have all the things: term, universal life, variable, indexed, annuities, disability, group policies, you name it. It's kinda ridiculous how many boxes they tick. The only gripe, some of those products get pretty complex, not gonna lie. Meanwhile, Northwestern Mutual is more like, hey, we do whole life, we do it super well, and we've got some term and disability too. But if you want that fancy VUL or indexed UL, you might be out of luck. So if you're all about choices, Prudential totally takes this round. Oh, and here's something cool for the trivia lovers out there. Did you know? Northwestern Mutual has paid dividends to policyholders for over 150 consecutive years. Like seriously, that's some legacy stuff. Let's get into the advisor experience, because having a good agent, that actually matters. Prudential, they've got this massive tech-driven system, and you can go online or meet someone in real life. It's sleek, but maybe, just maybe, it feels a little less personal at times. Flip to Northwestern Mutual and wow, the vibe is totally different. Super hands-on, these agents stick around for years, and the planning feels, honestly, really individualized. Now, not everyone loves the network model, and that's fair, but if you want that classic advisor relationship, this is it. Northwestern Mutual takes the edge here for advisor love. Last up, digital and customer experience. This is where Prudential really, surprises you. Their site and app, pretty modern, really easy to use. You can do basically everything yourself. The only snag, older policies might need a bit of an upgrade to get those fancy features. For Northwestern Mutual, okay, their advisors are awesome, but if you want to do things online, some of the web tools are just kinda basic. It's more like talk to your agent than just click here sometimes. For digital folks, Prudential definitely wins here. If you could actually see this in a radar chart right now, you'd notice Northwestern Mutual totally stretches out the furthest where consistency and advisor experience matter, while Prudential's got those massive arms in product range and all things digital. They both look strong, but in some pretty different ways. So wrapping up, here's what I honestly think. If you want a company that's got every bell, whistle, and tech upgrade you could want, Prudential's a super smart pick. But if you're really in it for long-term value, a steady dividend-paying policy, and that personal touch with your advisor, Northwestern Mutual's almost impossible to beat. Both are epic, but the right one depends on your style. If you found this helpful, hey, why not hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one?